Hello, presentation watchers. Today we're going to be going over Ernest Rutherford. Now you might be asking, who is Ernest? What did he contribute to science? And why is he all so old? Well, we're going to cover the first two. Let's start with a little backstory for Ernest. Ernest was born in New Zealand, Spring Grove, August 30, 1871, and passed away in Cambridgeshire, in England. October 19, 1937. Ernest performed his experiments with Hans Janger and Ernest Marsden from 1908 to 1913 in the physical laboratories of the University of Manchester. Now that we covered where Ernest lived, we can talk about what Ernest actually did for the understanding of an atom. Ernest found out that the atom was not just one group of negatively charged particles in a assembled sea of positive charge, but was actually mostly empty space with nearly all its mass concentrated into a central nucleus, like foods that claim they aren't infected by shrinkflation because they have the same package size, yet barely any product. I'm calling out Lay's personally with this one. Now that we've gone over Ernest's discovery, let's talk about what it did for the advancement of understanding atoms. Ernest proved that the plum pudding model is not what an atom was built like because it had a nucleus, helping scientists to understand and better conduct experiments. Now, you must be thinking, it is ye olden time. How would Ernest even find this out? Well, since I'm so awesome and amazing, I will show you by 3D models. Hi guys, so it's me, Alex, and this is me describing what Ernest Rutherford did. So this is radium in a container because that's what Ernest Rutherford did for the experiment. Because radium naturally disintegrates and it produces alpha particles. This is a reflective screen barrier, so anything that would go to it would bounce off it. This is the gold foil, and alpha particles normally just go through it. This is an upsized atom, so we can have a better understanding. And he doused the foil with a fluorescent substance. Yeah, it's a fun color. And then he put a hole into the radium and he shot off the alpha particles. Now, it was normal because it would just go through the foil, but sometimes it would flash and it would bounce off the center of the atom. And Ernest came to the conclusion it was because the atom was actually had nucleuses. And this deserves extending. Thank you. Now that we discussed what Ernest did, let's go over some fun facts. Ernest's name was actually spelled Ernest, Earnest, on his birth certificate. They named the elephant Rutherfordium. I do not know how to say that after him, to honor him. He was the fourth of 12 siblings. Nowadays, they would make a reality TV show about this family. He died at the age of 66 in 1937. Apparently, in 1886, two of his brothers drowned, and I'm not going to make a joke about that. Let's be respectful. Thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you. Okay, roll the credits.